Welcome back to Omni Calculator. I'm Alvaro and today we're going to talk about the log calculator. So we're going to talk about logarithms. And I'm just going to take 90 seconds of your time to tell you what this calculator does, how to use it, a quick example of using it, and why do we need logarithms in general? What are they good for? So load up the questions and timer starts now. The logarithm is the complementary operation to the exponential. The exponential is a to the power of b equals c. So a is the base, b is the exponent, c is just the result. The logarithm takes that, flips it around, so the logarithm of c in base a is b. The logarithm is answering the question, what exponent do I need to express the number c, whatever that is, as an exponential in base a? And I know this is still a bit abstract and complicated, so let's look at an example using our calculator. As you can see, it doesn't even look like a calculator, it's just basically fill in the blanks. It's that simple to use. And you can even fill any two blanks and the third one will be calculated for you. So let's go in order. The logarithm of 9 in base 3 is 2. That means that 3 to the power of 2, 3 times 3 is 9. Sounds good. The logarithm of 1000 in base 10 is 3, because 10 times 10 times 10, 10 to the power of 3 is 1000. And you might be wondering, why do I need this calculator? And that just tells me you've never tried to do it by hand, because doing logarithms by hand is way more complicated than just filling some numbers on a website. But another question you might be having that is more interesting is, why do we need logarithms? And it's because exponentials grow so fast, the numbers become incomprehensible, and logarithms bring them down to a manageable level. Miniphysics has an awesome video about the early spread of COVID and how to understand it with logarithmic scales. Yes! Okay, so right on time, just at the buzzer with the shout out, not too displeased with that. But if you want more information about logarithms, there's a link in the video description. You can use our calculator, read the text, and if you know everything you wanted to know, then hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and maybe watch some of these videos we made before. This one is the one I think you will like, and this one is the algorithms thought of what you like. In any case, I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye!